I'll guide you through the quickest way to contact Venmo customer support without the frustration of searching for outdated phone numbers. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. For general questions and troubleshooting, always check the Venmo Help Center first at help.venmo.com/cs/contact-us. You can use the search bar for an immediate answer to common issues like payment declined or Venmo stash. For the fastest direct help, use the in-app chat. Open the Venmo app and tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Tap the Settings gear to access account options. Then choose Chat with Us. This connects you with a virtual assistant, so ask it for a live agent. Remember, live chat is available every day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. CT. If you are locked out or need help with a complex account issue, you can call the Venmo General Support line. The number is 855-812-4430. That is 855-812-4430. Live agents are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. CT 7 days a week. For urgent card issues like a lost or stolen card, call the member on the back of the specific card immediately. For the Venmo debit card, support is available 24/7 for deactivation. For the Venmo credit card, call the member on the back or 855-878-6462 for 24/7 support from Synchrony Bank. Now, a critical security alert. Never, under any circumstances, share your 6-digit verification code. A Venmo agent will never ask for this code over the phone or in a text message. If anyone asks for it, it's a scam. Hang up and report it. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best financial app video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.